Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best jump rope weighted adjustable speed, the high-speed weighted jump rope by LIFEEZY. If you're looking to level up your cardio, CrossFit, or home workouts, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's start with what makes this jump rope stand out: its self-locking mechanism. This feature alone puts it ahead of the curve. Forget about tiny screws and complicated setups. The LIFEEZY rope uses a unique screw-free, self-locking design, letting you adjust the 10-foot cable in seconds. It's as easy as press, adjust, and go. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, this rope molds itself to your needs instantly. Now let's talk performance. This isn't your average jump rope. Inside the handles is a high-grade double bearing system, yes, double, which delivers silky smooth 360-degree rotations. That means no tangles, no snags, and definitely no interruptions. It's built for speed and precision. When you're going for those double unders or high-speed cardio intervals, this rope keeps up with you, not the other way around. And it's not just fast, it's tough. The LIFEEZY rope is made with a steel cable coated in wear-resistant PU material. Translation? You can slam it on concrete, use it in your garage, or take it to the gym, and it'll still last. This isn't a jump rope that frays or cracks after a few weeks. It's built for longevity and built for serious use. But what truly makes this rope shine for fitness enthusiasts is the weighted feature. The subtle weight in the handles helps engage more muscles with every jump. You're not just working your legs. You're challenging your arms, your core, your shoulders. It becomes a full-body workout in just a few minutes a day. Perfect for burning fat, building coordination, and boosting agility, all in one sleek tool. From beginners learning rhythm and coordination, to advanced athletes pushing for speed and endurance, this rope fits every stage of your fitness journey. The tangle-free design, the quick adjustability, the premium materials, they all come together in one compact, affordable package. And let's not forget the look. With a sleek aluminum and stainless steel body, it feels professional and solid in the hand. It's available in a stylish black finish that fits right in with your other gear. Functional and sharp. That's what we like to see. So if you're training for CrossFit, boxing, HIIT, or just want to add a powerful cardio tool to your home routine, the LIFEEZY high-speed weighted jump rope is a must-have. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.